Hello everyone, so I am back with today's LeetCode question, that is 1304. Find a unique integer sum up to 0. So you have given integer n and you have to return an array in which the sum of all the elements into that is equals to 0. So you just have to, like, if you have a 5, you don't have to do like this. You just have to do like, if you have 5, then it will be -1, -2, 0, 1 and 2. In this way we will do. If n is even, then we just do -1, -2, then 1, then 2. It will be sum up to 0. And if it is odd, then we'll put 1 0 into that for managing that. So uh, let me code here. If like you have n and 1 means it is odd, then we'll just, what we'll do, let me consider the answer vector which we are going to return. So in the answer we'll push back 0. Okay, and if it is not, then we'll not put 0 into that, and we'll just for the half part, like for n by 2 elements, we'll just put all those n elements, like, let me consider from first we'll push n by 2 positive, then we'll push n by 2 negative elements, and that's all about this question. So we'll first push positive and negative. So, and that's all about your question. Let me submit this question first. Yeah, so that is all about this question. If I submit this, it will be a right answer. So thank you for watching this video.